Yo, you see why me have to always live a girl's life? You see? Because I'm hungry and I not cook nothing in the yard. Me have to eat bread back and them thing there. Well, you know, so me Hex have a restaurant. What? Me Hex, his restaurant. He bring back some for you. Why not this? Fried chicken and rice and peas. It tastes nice. What kind of gravy? Curry. Hey, Jesus! Well, you know, so me Hex have a restaurant. He bring back some for you. Me Hex, his restaurant. What kind of gravy? Curry.
Yo, calm down now. Where are you? That girl is.
So, Ani, we need to talk.
I don't know.
I don't think this is working out.
Hello?
I was talking to you.
Oh, hey babe, what's up? I'm just here. My main chick about to break up with me.
Your main,
Yeah. But you are the main though, you know that.
Since when?
Babes, for how long now? You let me. How long you let me?
Are you serious right now?
This is a PT.
Roughly 25 seconds like that. Stop worry, Edmund. You know what things say. So, later mo.
You're so disrespectful. Did you really just take that call? Who the hell was that?
Hello?
Hey, boo.
Oh, hey, hon, what's up?
I'm here washing. Hun, who's that chick in the
Oh,
background?
that's my main chick in the background. She's about to break up with me.
The one that came home and I had to have?
Yeah.
At least you have me alone now, though.
Oh, yeah, you know, man, I did that from some time now.
I'm leaving.
But you know, man, I think that differently.
Yeah, for real. Come by so I can let me go.
You're so sweet.
Love you.
You know my dog, why?
Say let me go.
I love.
Tony.
I love you, babe. Later.
Later. Love you, babe. Hun.
One here. Let's go on. I'm going like a serious.
I'm leaving. Bye.
Yo, dog, you know about Tropical Fest Grenada 2017? The biggest party, yeah, dog. And me at host it, you know? Yeah, bro. The pool party, the beach party, the boat cruise, theme nights, the concerts. All of them I all eat more, dog. Yeah, host the whole of them. Yeah, son, so right now more you want to tell all your friends them, all your family them, for go on www.tropicalfestuk.com. And now, and get your ticket, alright? Anybody, boy, check out what? Check out what? www.tropicalfestuk.com. I'm a phone there. Book my ticket right now, call me, I come. Book my ticket. Book my ticket. Tropical Fest nah miss me either. Grenada 2017, my so come.
Facebook hero, back at it again. I know me there with my barber, no. I know when me come to talk, Why do you sit up? Get off your cape off of me. Your cape or Raymond cape, fool at it. Hey, don't get me money in here, boy. Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me. Yo, this is here. Don't touch me. Hold it, man. Don't touch me. I'm fooling them for that. Come on.
Mickey, what you doing?
Nothing more, I'm just there.
Alright, now wash up the plate them. All I want to do is just put the pot in the cupboard. Yeah?
Alright.
Not to worry about nothing else.
Alright! Me if it come from there and work. No, wash up. Every time you have to put yourself, all things off the door. That's I see. Wash your room. I'm gonna come from here. Hey boy, I'm not telling you to come do something.
Mama, just come do it. Where you go? I go back, go lay down. I go stand up here so and see if you go. What did it say? I go stand up here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, me I go stand up.
Hey, I think they just moved in. Hey, neighbor. Hey, what's up?
Oh, I won.
Oh my God, are you Jamaican? You're Jamaican, right? Right?
Yeah, I'm Jamaican, yeah, why?
Well, fuck me in the armpit. That is crazy. You know how hard it is for me to find a weed man around here, and one just moves in next door. Look at God. Look at God. This is crazy. Like I swear,
You know I don't smoke weed. I don't smoke weed at all, so I definitely don't sell it.
You don't smoke weed. Come on, ganja farmer. Come on, you're Jamaican. Okay, there's no way. Come on now. Let's be real. Okay, I'm not a cop. I swear to God.
I don't smoke weed.
Yeah, you do. Okay, listen. Actually, you know what? How about you come over here right now, man? We'll just spark up some weed right now. We smoking that broccoli. Okay, it's sour. I know you want it. We smoking that. We're smoking that callaloo. Okay, with your name on it. Come on. Hey. Come on, Ziggy Marley.
Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you?
Yeah, let me get a double whopper. Double up, or do you want that with a side of cheese?
No.
Well, you could get it with, we have extras if you want extras.
No.
We have a Hershey pie. Would you like to try the Hershey pie?
Just let me get a double up, you know.
What kind of juice do you like, sir? Huh?
Grape.
Okay, we have orange juice for $1.50 if you want to try the orange juice. So, okay, so, would you like to try the banana pudding? What do you like, sir? Something extra?
Yo.
Uh-huh.
Just let me get that. Double up.
Okay, we have the triple whopper. If you want the triple whopper, you can get that as well.
Prince, come give me a hug.
For what?
Come give me a hug, no man. Come on. Some of you curb bitches when them see you. When them a come give you a hug, Prince, psh, slap with that. Come do it with me. Prince, psh, Prince, psh. Come, follow me. Prince, psh, Prince, psh, Prince, psh, Prince, psh, Prince, psh.
So what if it's a fan or something like that?
If it's a fun, alright. Come, give me a hug, I'm sure if you do. Me a blood clot care for fun or AC.
Jamaican, I wear the pot cover, me tell you say if you do from there and you know do it. Me tell you say me come tell you say you need to come take out the something there when me tell you from morning if you go do. From there me I tell you, you know, you still not do that something there. Awa, why you look for me so far?
What?
Oh, you know, you hear me I say, I won't go time you hear me when me have money for you. You think I shit me say. If I won't go one time me I talk thing them and me not say back not what me say already. Only one time and if you don't hear it, me I kick you in your blood clot and Papa Jesus Naga can come see you.
What?
Say what again and see if me not take out back that out of your mouth. You know, you hear me I say, your ears not work. It not work. Let me know if it not work. Eh?
What? Yo! What? Yo! Me can't hear you! Yo, make one for night! Yo, me a chat! You must allow me alone! Yo, you can turn it down! Me cut me lawn, me now cut your lawn! Yo, you can cut the lawn in your time! Don't talk your mother! Yo! Make me cut me lawn, batty boy! What you feel like? The government give me the piece of land and me buy it! Me spend my money, batty boy! Boat! Man, me have to run the lawn more.
You tidy up your room? Yes, mother. Oh, so the living room tidy up? Yes, I do everything what you tell me to do. Now me I do my homework. How much time I tell you, don't do nothing in the yard. Don't move, you know. Don't run. Stop doing what I tell you to do. Y'all do homework. Homework.